Dungeon Master quick tip of the day. Mobs and area of effect. One of the most iconic moments in Dungeons and Dragons combat is when a caster unleashes a massive area of effect spell like Fireball against a mob of monsters. But without a battle map, how do you know how many enemies actually get caught in the blast? That's where the 2024 Dungeon Master's Guide steps in with the Targets and Area of Effect table. It's designed to keep combat fast while still feeling fair and cinematic. Here's how it works. First, pick the area. Look at the shape and size of the spell. A 10-foot radius sphere usually catches about 3 creatures. A 20-foot fireball hits about 10 creatures on average. A 30-foot radius blast can engulf around 20 creatures if they're clustered. The second thing you need to do is adjust for positioning. If the monsters are spread out, subtract 1d3 creatures. If they're bunched up, add 1d3 creatures. And remember, you can never affect more monsters than are actually on the field. Third, a Dungeon Master's call can override the table. It's a guideline, not a restriction. Let's walk through a quick example. Say the party is surrounded by 12 goblins in a tight hallway. The wizard drops a 20-foot radius fireball. According to the table, that's about 10 creatures. But since the goblins are jam-packed in close quarters, the Dungeon Master might add a couple more using the plus 1d3 adjustment. Results? The fireball engulfs all 12 goblins. No messy grid needed. On the flip side, if those goblins were spread across a battlefield, maybe only 7 or 8 would get scorched. The beauty of this rule is speed. Instead of measuring out exact minis, you keep the game flowing while still rewarding smart spell use. And when in doubt, the Dungeon Master should always lean towards making the scene more epic. So the next time your wizard lights up a mob with fireball or your bard shatters a pack of skeletons, remember, the area of effect table keeps it balanced, cinematic, and fun. And as always, just roll with it and keep the table epic.